Hey guys, welcome to Wesley's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a volcano erupt out of Legos. First, take some green and then you build a tree on top and then you have a volcano over here. And then you do this.